Welcome to downtown Landrum. I believe it's the number 2 downtown here in Spartanburg County, South Carolina. My name is Derek Blanding, a realtor here with Next Home & Co. Lenny Gaines & Co. Next Home off of Woodruff Road. Taking a walking tour of downtown Landrum. It's right at exit 1. So super duper close to North Carolina. We are about 20 minutes from the Asheville Metro. 20 minutes from the Asheville Metro, super close to the Asheville Regional Airport. The Hound Hare, very top-rated restaurant. My wife and I, we've had a date night here. Definitely worth the drive to this cozy downtown. Plenty of parking. They closed this particular section off for festivals. H&R Block, the Collective. It's a very beautiful day. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. That will help me out, help my family out. I'm a twin dad, Clemson alumni. Funeral home, downtown, Landrum. Love the little fountain seating area right by the train tracks. It is inactive, or at least this particular section. Many downtowns had tracks. That was a good sign of a strong economy, or building that economy. Have a medical center over there, Spartanburg Regional, family medicine. Habitat for Humanity. I went to Mobile, Alabama, and helped build a home for a family with Mr. Peppers and Camp Proverbs. Painting store. And that was back when I was like 10 years old. Look at the mountains. Wow, that's gorgeous. Bank for Citizens. I used to bank with them. It's a good experience. The mail room. I wonder what that is. I love that little building there. I wonder if that used to be like a passenger train station. Fire station. This is pretty much it. Once again, that beautiful view of the mountains. Alright, back on the main drag. Beautiful flowers here, plants. Love the chairs. It's very southern. Main Street Salon. That's cool. Not going there. Antiques. Like an Elks Lodge. be careful here. Love that. Nice outdoor seating. I love some good guacamole and avocado. Well, avocados make the guacamole. Yes, I had to take a look in that antique shop. It's very cool. Shop local, shop local. Dogwood Market. Okay, very nice setup here. There's a lot of traffic coming through here. Major corridor connects to Highway 11, which goes all the way to the Georgia state line at Interstate 85 and Gaffney downtown. Very nice church. Love the old trees. CVS Pharmacy. Very beautiful day. So just checking in. Once again, if you're in the market to buy or sell, or if you just have questions in general, how do I get started? Feel free to reach out. I would love to help you and your family reach and accomplish your goals. The number is 864-934-8329. Or you can just send me a direct message. Derek Blanding 864@gmail.com. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to watch our family vlog videos. All the comments, likes, help support them and our twins' college fund. So we're going to end this video here at the post office. Further down, you've got some more like smaller new shopping strip malls and a park. It's good for getting that energy out for the kids. There's Ingles down the road, Bojangles, before you get to Interstate 26. Like I said, it's 20 minutes from the Asheville Metro. All right. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.
Hello there. Thank you for watching this video. We would love for you to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to hit the bell notification button. We welcome comments and questions as well. We love documenting our precious memories and living this life as a family within our beautiful and bustling community. Speaking of community, did you know that upstate South Carolina offers an unmatched quality of life? Let's get started with your home buying journey. Call Derek Blanding, your servant leader in real estate, at 864-934-8329.